Create a meeting with David Copper about a marketing strategy at 7 p.m. today. Add it to my calendar and to my task, and send an email to him to confirm. Is now getting the email and creating the task at the same time. The task should appear. Meeting with David Copper, sending an email and making the calendar event. Email arrived. Confirmation meeting. Calendar. Meeting with David Copper about the meeting marketing strategy. Done. So today I'm going to present you the ultimate AI assistant that can manage your emails, your contact list, your tasks, make content for you, and manage your calendar all in one without needing to actually hire an assistant. So let me tell you how it actually functions. It gets a message from Telegram or a voice message, then translates that, feeds it to the ultimate AI assistant, and then the ultimate AI assistant will decide what are the steps to actually make what you demanded. So firstly, it's gonna get a contact info about the persons you mentioned. Then it's either gonna create the task or an email or a calendar event or make content about something and then email it to yourself. So the first step in making this is downloading the zip file from my description and importing everything in your NNN instance by hitting here import from file and uploading the file you want. Good. Then you're gonna need to get access to some APIs made by Google. Firstly, you're gonna want to connect to Google Cloud with your actual primary Google account, and then go on to API services, library, and from here activate some of them like Gmail, the people API, the tasks API, the calendar API. All these you gotta activate them and then get an API key. How do you get an API key? You go to credentials and create credentials OAuth client ID. Of course, before you do this, you're gonna go through the OAuth consent screen and fill out all the things that it's asking you. Then just go into NNN and just put your credential right here, what you copied. It should look something like this: client ID and the client secret. It's very easy. Good. Next is you're gonna need a Telegram bot. How do you make a Telegram bot? Well, firstly, gonna need a Telegram account, of course, and then go on to BotFather. You can find the link very easily on the internet. Just search BotFather Telegram. You're gonna send you in a conversation and make from there a new bot. Then take that API key and put it in here, and your bot is ready to go. Good. Next, you're gonna need an AI open or from OpenAI. What I'm using right here is an OpenAI chat model. Of course, you can actually use OpenAI through OpenRouter, which is a service that combines all the API keys into a single one, which offers more flexibility at a really a bit more expensive price. I actually recommend you using OpenRouter, but in this demo, I'm using OpenAI. So you just need to go or to OpenRouter or to the platform OpenAI and get yourself an API key and top up your wallet here. After you've taken all the steps, you should test the workflows to see if there aren't any errors. Let's test it right here. Add a task to remind me to buy milk tomorrow at 5 p.m. Buy milk tomorrow at 5 p.m. Perfect. After you've tested and everything works perfectly, you can modify it however you like, or even leave a comment with modifications you want, and I will do it in the future. Thank you. Have a good day.